one thing I was thinking about, just because it seems like you've got like a very, the people that are like into it, they get into the class. Like it's very high energy, it's very intense. Do you ever record like testimonials or anything like that to use?
So I have some written testimonials. I did one video a while back that was a testimonial video, but it definitely needs an update.
Yeah. What I was thinking is we've got the circle light ring.
Yeah.
Where you set up the camera, and it'd be really. And another client of ours just started doing this at her office. Yeah. After they're done the service, she's like, hey, do you mind? Would you record like a quick?
Like
some
right
people,
after the class.
some people are like, not really into it, but some people, if you get them while they're excited. Setting up just like a camera in the light ring. Smart. They'd be like, hey, I was here and like it's such a great time and da-da-da-da. It's like a really good bank of content for the website, especially if, here's the thing, your referral base is great, but at some point that can plateau. Yeah. And when you want to go to the next level, it's like, I need new people. Where are the new people? Yeah. So if you're getting people in through social and they're like, this looks really cool, but it's tricky, it's intimidating. Maybe they go to the website, maybe they're floating around. Having video testimonials on your website of people that like, even like people, hey, it was my first class. Hey, I was like super intimidated, but it was great. And they were super accommodating and nice. Having that, like that validation, I think would be a really smart place, especially even if it's just for website content, for the new people that are thinking about it, that weren't brought in by a friend who's like, no, it's gonna be okay, right?
It's gonna be okay. And it's so funny at the end of it, everyone's just like, oh yeah, that wasn't so bad. Yeah. But it's getting people in the class. Something about dance is like very intimidating.
It is intimidating because you see all these shows now.
Yeah, but we're not doing that.
Still, you know what I mean? So you think you
but
can
you're gonna
dance
feel like you're doing
and all that, and you watch that and you're like, you want me to go dance? I saw what dancing looked like on TV. I'm fucking out on that. Yeah. Right? So I don't know.
It's true.
It's not true, but psychologically, like it's like if I were to ask you to go, like, hey, go like rock climbing, you'd be like, yeah, like climbing 40 feet up a wall on a harness? I don't think so. What the fuck are you thinking about? But once you've gone, you're like, oh, it's actually like, you can go on ones that are like climbing a ladder. This is fun. Yeah. But like, how do you get people who are intimidated by that first bit? Yeah. And I think newbie people's being like, it was like really great, really fun. They make, and everyone will give their own version of a testimonial, but the more you can get in terms of like, this was super fun and they were super helpful, like that type of stuff, I think is a great lead in. Yeah. No. Even if it just lives on the website. Might be a good idea.
Yeah, I think video testimonials definitely we need an update on that.
Yeah.